One of the last things we're going to be looking at for this tutorial would be working with references, and the way you can attach reference files to your own file is if you go into the attach tools there, you can add raster, references, point clouds, or reality mesh, and I think the one that we want right now is references. You can see here in this dialog box, you'll see which references you have, none so far, and you can change certain settings about them. So if we go here to attach reference and we go into test plan, okay, and we open it for me, and I'm going to select the coincidence world global origin aligned with master file, because we want to align the origin with this particular file. And everything else is fine. Size for 1 to 1, yeah, everything's okay. We press OK. You'll see that it's brought in a file with a series of plans that I've previously made. So maybe we don't care about everything else. Maybe we just want these plans. What can we do? Well, we can work with them. We can basically, if we go into our level manager, make sure we're in the default level. We can also create a clip level if we want to. So if we go into our level display, no, sorry, not level display, level manager here, and create a new layer that's called clip, right? And just double click to make that into the active one. We'll make it dotted with 1.5, and we'll make it red so it can be visible. And what we're going to do is we will draw a rectangle around our plan that we want to keep from the reference file. Let's say this is the rectangle that we want. So we're going to go back into the references, and we're going to left click on the file. We're going to use this clip reference option here, and it gives us a few methods. You can either active fence or name fence, but the only thing that we have now is just element. So we are going to left click on the element we want to clip, and it will automatically clip our reference file to this element. Now if I was to manipulate that element, let's say if I was to make it bigger, you'll see that it adds more of the file. So now I have my different levels showing up, different plans here, but nothing else from the other file. So that's a neat way of cleaning up, let's say, your reference files if the only thing that you're interested in is just a particular aspect of it. Or in many cases, when you want to print something, you can frame the printing using a clipper to a particular page style or page size, and use it as your reference for that size of paper, and knowing that at that particular size, and if I'm to print that at a particular page, then it will come out at that scale. So that's a very good way of dealing with things. Now there's other things we can do here. We can move our reference, we can copy it, we can scale it, we can rotate it. So there's loads of things we can do with referencing our active layer here. We can even detach our reference, and so on and so forth. So we're going to go like that, and we can detach it. Are you sure you want to detach it? Yes, but in this case we'll just leave it there for now. So this is how you can work with references.